Ringkat kathong ban ai kajing hikai ba jing tip syagi pat ba kum no ban te lakam mi kajing pang AIDS pat kajing sapriang uknyang HIV ka Meghalaya State AIDS Control Society kan Pynlong ka Red Fest the Northeast Multimedia Campaign Hilarity Center kabadan hamau diang haka arpu pratari rempang ajar pusau. Habakran nakal yang jangka project director ke Dr. B. D. Cruz haringkat ki officer kila pentip bahaka ni ke Red Fest an wan yashim benta dapalat arajar sans pa angot ki briu kentop ki he sorkar na kitanat baper na ki than chitai lammi ngi kari India badru ki he jangka National AIDS Control Society kila ong ru baling bahaka ni ke program kin sadan ru ki screening na ke benta ki bakwa ban shat test bad ki wei ki jingpen bernya.
We are from the Office of Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. So the main purpose of us calling this press conference is to brief on this. We'll have this Red Fest on the 28th of this month, February. The venue will be at Larity Performing Center, and the time will start the registration will start from 10 a.m. onwards. So this is called the Red Fest. It's the 5th Northeast Multimedia Campaign.
So the main objective actually of having this multimedia campaign is actually to create more awareness on HIV and AIDS. So altogether, like all the 88 northeastern states will be gathering like day after tomorrow at Larity, and each state will be bringing their own respective bands, popular bands like to come and perform. By doing so, by having this musical event, we plan to do so much more with that platform. Also, the objective of this MMC is actually to enhance the risk perception and promote safe sex behavior. Also to issues, especially stigma and discrimination surrounding, especially for people living with HIV. Also to motivate different population groups to seek services such as integrated counseling testing centers, sexually transmitted infection centers, Raksha clinics as we call them, PPTCT, ART, etc. And also for the normalization of condoms. And when we talk about condoms, it's the safest way to prevent HIV. And also the campaign will reach out to 126 districts all over the Northeast, combining all the Northeastern states in the Northeast.